LTBR. Let's look at the plan today for McDougal, because you know what? If you're a long-term a person in the room, there's always another trade, and believe me, we're always going to be around it. But the stock that they happen to be holding, hold on as I look at the coach on the other end here. Okay, this is the plan from a long-term guy. Mick, give me your address. We'll send you a TradeGATEHub shirt. I'm serious. Delta. Oh my God, forget about it. Delta's going higher. Take it back. No, I'm only kidding. Send me the address. This is the plan. Look at some charts. My plan as well. Read the Wall Street Journal. I'm not going to read the Wall Street Journal as SGML Sigma Lithium breaks high. I love to read. I'm an incessant reader, as a matter of fact, as you can tell by my expanded vocabulary. Buy Lightbridge. Smoke a cigar. Buy more Lightbridge. Smoke a cigar. Watch some porn. Oh, I'm sorry. Watch some sport. Probably do both. Don't blame it. Collect profits and do the same tomorrow. That's correct. Sounds good. I plan on doing the same. And what are we talking about, ladies and gentlemen? A stock that, no matter if it's held by a room member or not, is a stock that is theme related, call option, correct sector. Speculation is still in the market. And this is it. It's incredible. And I love it. You know why I love it? Because hey, I listen, man, it's hard enough for me to look at this thing. I don't want to put the whammy on it. 15 strike price. It's not even overbought on the daily. Weekly, I bet you it's in a 90 RSI though. A 90 RSI for the weekly. You know what, man? Listen. This is what I would do. Maybe goes to the 15 strike. Maybe goes to the 20 strike. Great. It's freaking awesome. Well done. Anyway, let's keep going. Riot, listen, BABA bullish. CZR bullish into earnings. Somebody just mentioned MGM, CZR. You know what's interesting? CZR, I'm not going to do it. I already know the price where it is. It's acting poorly. And sneaky. Oh my God, I didn't see it up there. 2064. Oh shit. Avago bullish. Let's look at who's taking earnings into Power Hour. Got to get some sort of plan here. Airlines, bad call, Mike V. I'm stuck. Before the open tomorrow, Lily. Let's go over some charts. You know what? I shouldn't be saying that because we're taking it into earnings. It's almost like you want to do something binary into earnings. Who do we have after the close? Okay, be aware. Oprah could have been someone. Oprah Winfrey. Where's Oprah? I was joking. You had to remember that one. Percy, you know that one. Oprah. All right. Fucking A. Okay, let me calm down and say some of my tea. AMD, Google, Snap. Go over this morning's video. That's all you have to know. Marvell. Adding to Marvell here. You know what's hurting me? No, it's Delta. My God, I'm in trouble in this Delta. Look at the volume. I got to cover it. Delta. Lucy, VFC, still going up. GLW made some nice trades. Let's go to the videotape. Let's go here. Crude, Qs, Netflix. SC was down 5 at one point. VFC, Donnie, Boeing, Royal Caribbean coming in a little bit. You know what? I made some good money in GL. What's going on? This is my position. I don't even give a shit. 6,600 UAL. I can't have 6,600 of anything. So we'll show more, make it 6,800. Zoom, Cake, I'm taking that into earnings. AMD, MP, XPEV, I saw it taking calls this morning. By the way, doesn't mean it's going to work. XPEV, I did see taking calls. If you want to try XPEV, I don't know. They said this NIO is in the stage 2 breakout. This NIO is doing exactly what Reddit did to me. Reddit, I punted. I should have known they flinched before the day before the earnings yesterday. This was Reddit. Now I'm not in, it's going to new highs, has earnings after the close. Nio's doing exactly what. Futures, VIX. Yeah, there's the chart on the VIX. You talk about an unwind, God forbid. You know, this AMD comes in good, Google comes in good, you have CMG has earnings. Apparently McDonald's didn't flinch from when I looked last. Actually, they opened up this morning, came down. CMG has earnings. Maybe that propels something forward, propels. Catalyst, Visa has earnings. Reddit, cake. You know what I did? I bought some, I'm in. I bought some cake into earnings. Not gonna lie. Calls, Cheesecake Factory. I'm in it. Let them take me out. Calls though. I can only lose so much. I don't want to be stuck in this rat if it doesn't work. Lilly has earnings. Not in it. Have no feel. Caterpillar. Deer I saw was go doing something. Don't like it. Industrial. Shack has earnings. They say it's going to be good. Not in it. Wingstop, number one. Not in it. It's taking calls into the close. That's what matters. Planetaire, Riot, GLIC, right here, LBTR. I jinxed it. Sorry, Mick. I did 1360. Okay, let's look at this. Percent losers in the last 60 minutes. Anything coming in with any type of volume I'm interested in? ENVX has earnings before the close, Mick. But if you like that play, then we have another one, Mickey D. MD. You should call him the doctor instead of Mick, but I like Mick. ENVX coming to the 200-day into earnings if you want that type of play. Flies so far, gave it up. Maybe it was a profit taking yet? Not sure. Look at that. Look at SoFi. It got down to 977. PayPal, same thing. Positive tonight. Where's PayPal finishing? Another one near the high. You know what this all says to me? What I said before, the whole week. Noisy week. Impossible to make a plan based upon scenarios. You have a lot of ranges, going to be a lot of inside days. VIX and earnings. So it's moving short term. That's what I'm doing. That's it. Look at this freaking PayPal. ENVX. Nikola. Percent gainers in 16 minutes. Let's look at this. Airline. I'm getting nervous even thinking about an airline. Tyra. Interesting. Popping. Tyra Banks. Pars. Wolf. Popping. Look at Wolf. I don't like it. BFC. Oklo. Look at Oklo. You know what about Oklo? Oklo's even breaking a new high. It's amazing. Oklo. Entity. Oklo's the only one going higher. Smart. The other one that wants to go higher. Smart, in my opinion, is best of breed, but I want to show you something about these into power hour. So take another cup of tea. It used to be freaking forget about it. Is this. See, I mentioned that XPEV and NIO. I mentioned it before, and they are. Stage 2, be careful. Long. Jim Cramer was asked about Oklo last night. It's a short squeeze. I'm getting tired of short squeezes. You know, I could own the Cheesecake Factory. Trust me, Jimmy. But what I'm saying is, you know, that's what's going up. So for those that are a side note, to digress, those that like the fundamentals, I get it. I get it. Doesn't matter. Algo program, the moving average and volume, Carvana. What are the look at this thing. The fundamentals here. This September, last September, 38. Stock went up 6 times. As Ford is acting like that. So I'm not here to keep pontificating. What else? Do we have any questions? Oh my God. Sorry, Mick, about not thinking that thing. I'm fine with ENVX. It's an investment. We have Mickey. It's an investment. You know what that means? You're not bullish on it. You know what to do. I was being facetious. Thinking that thing. was DC. We need Oklahoma Thunder in here. We need Bosworth, Brian Bosworth. All I think about, coin bearish. All I think about for Oklahoma is Arkansas, Oakland Racetrack, and Brian Bosworth. Avago calls. They're buying Avago. Look at this thing. I don't know about it though. Maybe they're buying it at AMD. Maybe they're buying it at AMD. Reddit. Fizzler has earnings. Oh my God, Fizzler. What am I gonna do? Corvo. Interesting. Nope. Not interesting. ABBV in the fund. Maybe I'll add to it. Marvell Technologies. Going higher with or without you, Bob. I like to see in it. SDIG. Okay, let's get going over here. Let's go to the most active list. This is what I'm thinking about when I go to this. Let's go to percent gainers, intraday. What's high? LTBR. Again, WGS. I saw this before. I'll get into VFC earnings. RGC popped yesterday. Guts. SKX. Not in Riley. That's a financial. They get squeezed. Ooh, Riley. Okay. Noted. Riley. If it doesn't work, they'll buy it on a pullback and you'll get out at least a chance to get even in something like that. That's what the downside, Riley. It probably works. Riley. THC up 20 with or without you, Bob. Oh. You know what I'm really interested in now? Stocks that have at least 2 million shares on the day. As of now, as of what is it, 316? Okay. AMD calls it flying off the fucking Camping World. I was at the short this Camping World. What's this one? Deep. Camping World. Want to buy a stock right now has range? Try it there at the 200 day. Everything's converging on Camping World. CMG. They're buying into it again. All right. Do I have any questions? Before I do something, what am I doing here? Futures. Where's the fucking, excuse me, there. What horrible. You know what I'm trading better with? I'm cursing. Unprofessional. GLW. Made a nice trade in GLW today. Short all the way up GLW. Enough is enough. Pounding at 50.68, 50 at 68. Took a chunker off at 49.60. Now Meta. Microsoft daily chart. Listen, you know what's going to stop this thing? Does Microsoft have a better chance here of going down 5 or up 20? That's it. What do you think? I don't know. I think I know the answer, but I have to sign too many disclosures. Eat has earnings, maybe priced in. Crocs. There's Delta. LUV. Come on, Delta. Come on, freaking time on this airline. Short Delta. I'm also got the UAL short against it. You want to know why? Because UAL shorted nicely yesterday. AMD breaking high. MU breaking high. APP. Vert. NVIDIA. There's the daily on NVIDIA. China in the middle. Square. PayPal. Who cares? Who cares? LTBR. Donnie. Huge range. Avago. Anything that's semi-related. AMAT. Soxel. Microsoft. Nugget. Just Nugget. Boeing. Boeing tomorrow's going to get the upgrades. But I'd rather buy it in the hole. Yeah, I told you about this Dollar General taking calls. I sold them. This thing's in trouble. There's another leg down coming on Dollar General. Telling you. This had every chance to go. And it's still an $80 stock. It's actually, there's something up with this. It's taking pages of calls and not the right calls when it's down there. How about Costco? Costco finally tripped up. BJ Wholesalers, Walmart, Ollie, Coin, there's Ollie Basement Stores, Spotify. Terry Garr passed away. SMCI, they're buying. Terry Garr passed away. You know what Terry Garr is? Terry Garr. Helene brought it up. Starred. Can't even, sorry, Mom, about the spelling. Let it ride. Who? Every two. Trotter. R.I.P. Leave her like that back. She's a horse lady. RTX puts. Terry Garr. I'm upset now. Arm calls. I don't have to tell you what's up. Arm chart, AMD breaking higher again into earnings. MU stagnant. Stock picking. There you go, right here. Stock picking. UAL, you rat. Texan, another one. Texan post earnings. Texan, you want a stock? That's Texan. Oh, God help me. Any questions? Percent gainers, 15 minutes, nothing. Percent losers, 15 minutes. DJT, percent gainers, 60 minutes. VFC, typical. Percent losers, 15, 60 minutes. This is not ANF. She's right. Breaking down. It's taking calls, though. All right, leave it there. Mike V, I'm in the room. Ask any questions. Thanks for sharing. Also, thank you for the Tradeview Markets sponsoring TradeGATEHub. Any questions? Live account, demo account. You buy some cake calls in the demo account first and see what happens.